This is known as a planter wall block, and today I'm going to show you how you can build strong structures in your garden with it. And this is a really cool, nice and simple block. It's $4 a piece, and essentially it's made so you can make raised garden beds, because you'll see here it has these cutouts that you can slide 2x6s in them, and it's made so you can stack a couple of them if you want it to be a higher raised bed. And essentially it's made so you can take a 1/2-inch piece of rebar, and there's a hole here in the middle, and you just hammer this 1/2-inch piece of rebar in the ground to kind of anchor the raised garden bed in the ground. But a community member named Nimish actually shared this hack where he just left it pointed straight up like this, and then he used EMT conduit, which if you're unfamiliar with, you can get off the shelf at places like Home Depot, True Value, different places like that. And we like to use it with the connectors that we manufacture in upstate South Carolina for building all kinds of structures. And Nimish actually did the same thing, but he slid 1/2-inch EMT conduit over top of this rebar, as you can see here. Slide that all the way down and into the hole a little bit, as you can see, and then you've got this strong anchor. And what's really cool about this is you've got an all-in-one solution for building your garden beds and then your EMT conduit structures. And you've got this strong anchor, so if you live in a windy area or if you've got a lot of plants, a lot of tomatoes that you're trying to trellis, this is going to be a strong solution that's anchored into this concrete planter block. And Nimish took it another step and actually used 3/4-inch EMT conduit over top of the 1/2-inch EMT here, and then built off of it. So just slid it over just like that. You can imagine having 4 of these in each corner, or however large your raised garden bed is, and then you can build your structure, your greenhouse, your enclosure, your trellis, whatever it might be, and have a really strong solution. So this is really cool. Thanks so much, Nimish, for sharing this in the community. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.